Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use X, formerly known as Twitter, to boost your productivity. Start by curating your feed. Follow the accounts that share tips, news and insights related to your work or studies so your timeline becomes a resource instead of a distraction. Next, use lists to stay organized. Now, to create a list, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. After that, go into Lists. Here, tap on this icon to create a new list. After that, give it a name, choose whether it's public or private and start adding accounts. After that, you can view tweets from only the accounts in that list, which keeps your information structured and easy to find. Then, don't forget to use the search and hashtags. Searching with specific keywords help you find conversations, resources, and ideas instantly. Another great tool is bookmarks. Whenever you see a useful thread or tweet, simply tap on the save icon at the bottom of the tweet. Then, it will be saved to your bookmarks. You can access all your saved bookmarks later from the profile under the bookmark section. This prevents important content from getting lost in your feed. Finally, set time limits. Decide specific times during the day to check X so you can get the benefits without falling into endless scrolling. And that's all. With a few simple tweaks, X can become a powerful tool to stay informed, organized, and productive. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.